Hi, my name is Manthani Brown, and this is the Breadboard Project. For today, we'll be using a 9-volt battery, uh, resistor, um, LED, LED, and a TRS cable. So first, I'm going to be connecting to positive, positive, or this red wire into the positive side of the breadboard, and just stick it in. Next, we're going to be sticking this resistor, one side of the resistor into the positive. And then we're going to stick this other one into, let's just say, row 9. And next, we will be putting our LED. And as you can see, because of the flow of the resistor and the 9-volt, the light emits, the LED brightens. Okay, so next I will be connecting the tip. I'll be putting this right next to the resistor, and that will flow all the way around into the other side, into the other tip, and I'll just connect this. I'll just connect this to row 24. No, correction, row 19. Tripping. Next, I will put the ground. Yeah, the ground into same row. Well, yeah, same row, and I will put this as well in row 19, even though it doesn't really matter. And then I will put the sleeve into the side of the breadboard as well. And I will put this in row 24. And with all that current that's connecting through, our LED should light up. I don't know if you can see it too well, but yeah, there it goes. And that is my breadboard project.